Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Precious Metal Summit in Zurich, and we move on with Price Mining and Feisal Somji, who is the CEO of the company. Faisal, great to see you again.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for taking the time, and we know us from the good old Rio Alto times. That's from where you're coming. Maybe you'll give us a short idea.
Yeah, that's correct. I was the original founding president and CEO of Rio Alto. I worked with Tony and Alex, and Rio Alto, of course, acquired the project in Peru, and we grew that company from a 10 million market cap to when we sold it to Tahoe in 2015 for about 1.2 billion.
That was a big success. So now with Price Mining, you want to do the same?
That's correct. Exactly the same.
Perfect. So where's Price Mining working? Because you're a quite new company. Maybe you give us a short overview, please.
Yeah, we're a brand new company. We went back onto the market in April. At that time, we acquired a gold asset in southern BC in Canada. BC is now a great jurisdiction, again, to be working in Canada. The gold asset's got 1.89 million ounces of gold resources already in a 43-101, about 500,000 in indicated and the rest in inferred. And what we've done is we've consolidated a larger land position. We've made it a district-wide approach. And there's 4 historical mines that we're operating at a much higher grade in the 20-30 grams a ton. And so the idea...
They're on your land, those old mines?
On our land.
Lovely to have.
And so it's a large land position. And so our idea is to step away from development for a little while, refocus on exploration, focus on those higher grade historical mines, and start to build additional resources there. So somewhat similar to Rio Alto, but a little bit different in that we're starting with exploration first and then moving towards development.
Okay, super. That leads to my next question. Starting with exploration, first of all, you need some money for that. I mean, you IPO'd. How much money you have now in the bank?
Yeah, we went out to the market to raise 3.5 million. We had 12 million of interest, and we ended up taking 6.
Good.
So we're well capitalized. We're well funded. We're doing exploration work now. We're drilling now. So there's no need for initial fundraising at any time soon.
Super. You had already some results, or the results are upcoming now, step by step?
We've done our sampling and our geophysics, and we've announced those. The drill rigs just started turning about 3 weeks ago. First set of assays are in the lab, so results are coming soon.
Let's put it that way. You are happy what you saw so far?
We're very happy with what we're seeing so far.
Very good. So. Of course, you cannot comment on that until they are proven. That's for sure. So great. So we have already November, so it's only like 7 weeks to Christmas. There's not so much to do. Let's say we get the first results probably before Christmas, right?
Yeah, we think we'll have the first couple of holes in before Christmas, and then the rest of them coming in after Christmas. We're about halfway through our drilling program right now. So
how long is it? How many meters do you want to do?
We're going to do just over 2,000 meters, just over 4,000 meters in total. So we're about halfway now, and then we'll continue drilling through November.
Okay, great. To what depths you are drilling?
We're only going to be drilling down to about 200 meters. These are near surface, high-grade veins, all shallow. And, we think we can start to build a nice resource from 200 meters to surface.
Super. And so for 2018, of course, resource update.
A resource update, yeah. We, our current resource, our independent authors made what we think is a bold statement, but she said she thinks there's around 3 to 5 million ounces on the project, on the property overall, the majority of which will come from the Daylight property, which is the high-grade area. So our intentions through 2018 is to start to try to meet those estimates and come up with new resource reports.
Wow, fantastic. Well, I think that would be a great target to have already. Let's say longer term. Do you want to go in production with that by yourself, or you just said, okay, maybe we do the same like Rio Alto, we go maybe in production, but then we sell it to a larger stake, or what's the thinking on, I would say?
Well, I think I was a little spoiled with Rio Alto, so, I like the production story.
Yeah.
Most companies, I think junior exploration companies don't end up going into production, but we saw a real nice return with Rio for doing that. So our intentions are to move towards production. Either through this property or perhaps through other acquisitions, but we want to see production within 2 or 3 years. And
that's fast. Okay.
Yeah, and then try to follow the same timeline as we did before.
Yeah, super. And you have already, let's say, team-wise, you have people already in place which are also capable to bring the company?
Yeah, we've got a very strong BC exploration development team out of Canada, and they're currently on site working now. And then we're slowly building our board. We're still a new company. We've got a good strong board portfolio, but we're always looking to strengthen it as we move forward.
Okay, super. Well, then, Feisal, thank you very much for that. All the best, and I think we see us PDAC.
Thank you. Yeah, you will.
Great, perfect, thank you. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it was Feisal Somji, the CEO of Price Mining, and you heard it, a new, let's call it a gold company in British Columbia. They just went online in April this year, and it looks like 3 to 5 million ounces is very likely. Of course, they have to prove that first. This is just a speculation statement, of course, but I think with the ability from Feisal, which he brought from Rio Alto, where he has shown that he's really able to bring the things from exploration into production. Very interesting company. Check it out. Thanks for watching us. Bye-bye from Zurich.